Another K-pop group is set to hold a concert in the Philippines with 80s returning for their In Your Fantasy tour. Sam Martos has more.
Let's step into the world of entertainment for the latest news and update. For our showbiz news, good news 18E. K-pop group 80s is coming back to the Philippines for their upcoming tour. K-pop boy group 80s will return to the country again for their Asia and Australia tour titled In Your Fantasy. On the group's X account, they shared a poster including the places they will visit. Aside from Manila, the group will also visit Taipei, Jakarta, Singapore, Melbourne, Sydney, Kuala Lumpur, Macau, and Bangkok. It can be recalled that the group last visited the Philippines on September 16, 2023, also for their Asia concert tour Fellowship Break the Wall. As of now, there is no announcement yet regarding the ticket prices and the venue for the 80s upcoming concert. Meanwhile, In Your Fantasy tour will take place in March 2026. And that's our showbiz news. Once again, I'm Sam Martos. Back to you, Kriza and Alvin.